Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select test language on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 seconds, so just wait. The application is loading, so just wait a little bit. New, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can find the language section, and the first text settings you can find different languages, for example Korean, English, Spanish, Deutsch, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.